Hello everyone, I'm Reshma, and today I'm going to discuss about the different methods of performance appraisal. This is for hospitals masters second year. So now let's start with the topic, and first we'll discuss about the modern methods of performance appraisal. The first method of performance appraisal is management by objective. In this method, the managers and all the employees, they come together and they identify the plan, they organize and they communicate the goal. Here every employee is given a major area of responsibilities, and on that basis the results are expected from all the employees. This method is useful to measure the contribution of every employee in the organization. In this method, the employees and the managers, time to time, they come together and they discuss the progress of the jobs or the responsibilities which has been given to them. If there is any problem or any sorts of challenges if they are facing, so those are discussed and they try to solve it out. The merits of this method could be, it is less time taking, this is cost effective as well, and this method helps to measure or calculate easily whether the stated objective has been achieved or not on the given period of time. The second method of performance appraisal is 360-degree appraisal. In this method, an employee is appraised or rated by all of his colleagues, subordinates, the supervisors, the managers, and also by the customers and clients to whom the employees interact in the course of the job performance. All these appraisers provide the information or feedback on the employees by completing a survey questionnaire which is designed for this purpose. All these informations are gathered together and they combined, and out of which a report is prepared for the employees. And this method is very advanced method of the performance appraisal, and this is very popular in many of the organizations. The third method of performance appraisal is assessment center method. In business field, the assessment center method is basically used to evaluate the executive or maybe the supervisory potential. This method is used to test the employees in the social related situations. Here, the employees are asked to take part in a different social situations exercise. That could be the basket exercise, the work groups, simulation, role playing, etc., which is essential for the successful performance of the actual job. And now the employees' behavior are observed by the HR manager or maybe by the trained psychologist in terms of the tolerance, the problem solving skills of the employees, the leadership quality of the employees, and so on. So now we see that this method is very effective method of performance appraisal. But it also has got some demerits. The first one is it is the time taking process. Because it is time taking process, this is also very much expensive. The next method is psychological appraisal method. In psychological appraisal method, it determines the hidden potential of the employees. This method focuses on the analyzing of employees' future performance rather than the past work of the employees. Here the qualified psychologist, they conduct a variety of tests on the employees like psychological test, interviews, discussion, and so on to determine or maybe identify the employees' emotions, intellectual and other related trends. However, we see that this method is a time-taking process and it is a complex method of performance appraisal. and also the quality of the result of this method is highly dependent on the psychologist who administers the whole process or the procedure. The next method of performance appraisal is a human resource accounting method. In this human resource accounting method, the performance appraisal is done on the basis of the monetary value that the employees earns to the company. It is obtained by the comparing the cost of retaining an employee and the monetary benefits the organization receives from the specific employees. For example, if I am working in any of the organization and if my performance is rated or I am being appraised, so on what basis my performance will be rated? The monetary value which I earn for the company and the monetary amount or value the company invests on me in a particular period of time, that would be compared, and on that basis my performance will be evaluated whether it is good or bad.